Hey guys, welcome back to Vermont Maple View Farm. We are getting ready to shoot our next video, which is going to be fixing that shock on the Jeep that had snapped off in a previous video, as well as grinding off some other stuff. That being said, my wife, Mrs. Vermont Maple View Farm, had filmed a quick video for her job, being that everybody's kind of home under quarantine. She's working from home, and they decided it would be fun to... Everybody contributes, you know, what they like to do while they're at home, and my wife likes to cook and bake. So she did a quick video on just making hollandaise sauce. So we figured, you know what, that might be something you guys wanted to see. And then if it is something you want to see in the future, please let us know. We'll be happy to make more videos of her filming, cooking, baking, whatever it is you're looking for. But we figured it'd be a nice addition to the channel. So my intro is going to kind of be what introduces hers, because it was originally shot for her job. And after we finished it, we were like, you know what? This actually kind of goes well with our channel as well. So without further ado, we're going to cut to her video of her making her hollandaise sauce. And again, please comment. Let us know if you'd like anything else, anything specific you want her to try to make or bake. And we'll try to get that done and up in the next set of videos.
Hi guys, this is Marlon, and usually you find me at Renaissance Fine Jewelry. Since we are all staying safe at home, I'm home, and this is my kitchen. And so I figured we'd do a little series of Behind the Curtain. And even though I'm here for your jewelry, I'm also home cooking for my kids and my husband. And I thought today we would do an easy hollandaise sauce. Now, if you're a chef, do not contact me and tell me I'm doing it wrong. This is the way I do it. Sort of easy breezy. I know that there's got to be better ways and tastier ways, but this is what we do. So here I have a stick of melted butter, and we're going to have half of a lemon, and we're going to separate our egg yolks. So that's my first pro tip today, separating an egg yolk. If you don't know how to do it, it's pretty easy. All you do is go ahead and open it up. There's two methods. You can go this way, going back and forth from shell to shell. There it goes. And so now we just have the yolk, and we can add that in. The other way that you can do it is not nearly as clean, but very effective. You can go ahead and put it into the palm of your hand and let all of the white go out until you finally just have your yolk, right? So now we just have this beautiful yolk, and it goes in. Two more to go. I actually prefer the in my hand method. So here we go. We just want the yolk part. We don't really want any of that white part. And one more. One more, and then we'll go ahead and wash off our hands and continue. Now we'll go ahead and whisk the eggs, or egg yolks, right? Because we separated out our whites. You can go ahead and preserve the whites. Maybe you want to make a meringue, or maybe you want to make an egg white omelet. I don't know. But we need to get a little air into these. And once they start to lighten up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and put them on the stove. So I've made my own double boiler with the bowl and with some simmering water. Water is at the very bottom of the pot. We don't want it to be at a boil. It's just on low. And we don't want the water to touch the egg yolks. As I'm stirring, I'm going to go ahead and grab my butter. Usually I have a sous chef, or sometimes I have a sous chef, sometimes I don't, but we're going to grab the butter and we're going to whisk and add little by little so it doesn't get overwhelmed or break your sauce. And it's getting lighter, and it will thin out. I know you're thinking, oh, it's a little thick, but it will thin out. We're going to add lemon juice to it in just a minute. Put that down. Get that going. We're going to use half a lemon. If you guys don't have a lemon squeezer at home or citrus squeezer, I recommend this. Now typically you see people, this is for the limes, we're going to go to lemons. Typically this is the shape, and you see people do that and squeeze. That is not correct. Here's my second pro tip. Congratulations, there's two. You put it in with the juice side down. And we're going to go ahead, back to our hollandaise sauce, squeeze it in, whisk it, squeeze it, and then that's it. A little pinch of cayenne if you like it, salt and pepper to taste, and you have an easy hollandaise sauce. What I do to keep it warm before serving it, shut it off, keep the warm water underneath it, and every little while you attend to it, just give it a stir around. Okay, so there you have it, behind the scenes Renaissance Fine Jewelry. We're at home, so I'm showing you me at home. Join us next time. Hopefully somebody else from the Renaissance team will do something in their house.